Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to do the green screen effect in CapCut. It's super easy and takes less than a minute. Let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Click Import and add two videos, your background video and the green screen video that has the subject you want to keep. Show dragging clips to the timeline. Next, drag your background video onto the main video track. This will be the base layer. Then drag your green screen video onto the track above it. Now, select your green screen video on the timeline. Go to the Video tab on the right side and find Background. That's the green screen tool. Show cursor clicking Chroma Key. Click the color picker, the eyedropper tool, and then click on the green area in your video preview. CapCut will automatically detect and remove that color. When you're happy with it, click Export in the top right corner. Your green screen effect is done. And that's how you do the green screen effect in CapCut on PC. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick editing tips. See you in the next one.